Hello everyone, this is Sanyukta Saxena. I'm a certified Zentangle teacher. Welcome to this brand new session and brand new series on Zentangle Black and White. Yes, this is not a very new concept. In fact, there is an entire project pack devoted to this, concept wherein you give a tile a kind of a spilled over ink feel, right? So we will be using black waterproof ink and spill it over, or in fact use our brush to be precise, and cover certain portions of our white Zendala with some black ink as if it is spilled over it, and then tangle both with our black pen and our jelly roll side by side. Yes, so this is a very nice way to have a feel of how is it to tangle on black as well as white surface on one tile itself. Yes, so you convert certain portions of your tile into black tile, and then some part of it is white, and then you basically tangle with both your pens, the Micron O1 and the jelly rolls, and have a feel of tangling on both colored tiles on the same one tile. Yeah, so before proceeding further, let us first create some 5 or 6 or 7, whatever I have here. I think 7 tiles. So I will now get into creating those sections. So first, it would be a good idea, so that you don't spoil your drawing surface. Just take a newspaper or a white paper or anything that you have handy. Keep your tiles over it. Yeah. And now I'm going to use the first tile. I have waterproof ink, drawing ink with me, and I'm going to use a brush. And if you want to actually not use it or spill ink over it, you can try that also. But I'm going to first try and do it with a brush. So I'm dipping my brush there. It's a normal ordinary brush. And then first I'm going to start with the corners. So it's jet black, you can see. So I'm going to not really planning what kind of a shape or design I want, but just kind of giving it an uneven. Just make sure that you have considerable black so that what you tangle on black also shows. Yeah, so I'm just randomly drawing some kind of a shape there, and then adding black ink over it. So this is black waterproof drawing ink. In India we generally use Camel, so this is Camel, but you can find any ink, any brand that is readily available. It's basically waterproof. Yeah, so that's our first tile. Let us keep it aside. So make sure you again keep it on something which, if gets spoiled with black ink, you don't mind. The second one, let us add some kind of drips, something like the sections in between which are black. So let's make it thicker. So kind of zigzag, not really planning. Doesn't have to be systematic. Again, creating some black sections in between. So these are just ideas. It is just a suggestion. You can do it this way. You can go some other way. That's fine. Yeah. Making it a little thicker. If the ends are not very clean, that's fine. The more natural it looks, the better. In fact, let's see if we can do an actual spill. Yeah, so I just created some black sections in between, and I'm going to keep this style aside, or if you want you can do it some at the ends also. I'm stopping here. Third one, let us just add a section in the center of the tile, something like a droplet shape. probably something like this, and just then you can also use your bolder pens like graphic 1 or the O8 and create such inked sections, but try getting some ink. That's a good idea. It will be faster, it will be easier, and it's jet black, right? So I just created a patch on the tile. Let's see. Then moving on to the fourth one. So in this one, let us just create some black orbs. It's not that you have to restrict your black section to these that we are creating right now. You can add more black as you draw. That's fine. Yeah. So those things we can do while we tangle. If we want to add some more black here and there, some bit of inking is always involved while we tangle also. Right, so I'm just having fun here, adding some more blacks here and there. Slowly take your time. I think that's enough. A small touch here. Yeah, so let us keep this aside also. So let's get on to the next one. In this one, let us do a nice curve, right? So I will start like this and then give a nice curl and then get back like this. Yeah, so let's ink one part. Take your time. So this project pack is one of my favorites because it looks really beautiful how they tangled on the journals. You might want to refer to the project pack also. So I like the fact that this ink is jet black, and that's why I'm using it. Yeah, so that's one more. Let's keep it aside. Now let us create two more. Yeah, that makes it 7. So this one I am probably going to spill, right? So let's add some ink and then add it here. And then just move it around. I think we will need more. Yeah. Yeah. So just move it around. Create some random sections using your ink. It's not that easy. Yeah, it's flowing. Yeah. Yes, you can go down. Yeah. So you just end up creating some random sections and you can use it as a string. That will be fun. I'm just extending it till the end. If you want to create some more, you can do that. Yeah, so that's one more. Now let's get on to the last one. So there is some ink here. Let's fold the paper first. Yeah. So the last one, I'm just going to probably use my brush to create a fun look. I'm just going to do something like this. Yeah. Just dip your brush and just create these random, something like handprints. Yeah. Let's see what we can do with it. It would be exciting. Yeah. So let's leave it here. So we have all our tiles. So I'll just show you. So these are the tiles that we just created. Yeah, this striped one, this one, this is the one we just created. We created this droplet shape. We created these sections. We created this and this one. Yeah. So upcoming few sessions we will be working on these tiles. So get set go.